Oh, that was a cop.
Flipped him off so he couldn't do anything.
He saved my butt. I didn't see him. And he didn't register on my thing.
That was an angel. That was an angel.
Well, I was still doing 7 over. Hey, Calvary. Community Church.
Oh.
There's always a cop near my exit. What's that guy carrying? NASA stuff?
I guess.
I think it's clear now.
Yeah, it is my love. He flips.
There goes my motorcycle buddy.
Yep.
Say bye.
Hi. He's an angel.
Okay, does this Fry's have a gas station? Well, that's Fry's Electronics. That's at exit 10, 210.
Okay, maybe the fairs will be in this college. The colleges will be in the fair here. Like,
So they don't think there's more cops, so we're doing 90.
look, his license is flying up.
What?
His license plate's flying up.
I know. That's pretty funny, isn't it?
It is funny, my love.
Maybe we should tell him.
Yes.
That's a temporary tag, so if he loses that, he's screwed.
Oh, God.
So why would the guy, like, pass me and then go the same speed I'm going?
I don't know.
Just to make him feel good about himself?
Probably. That's what I'm thinking. That's odd.
Here goes the license plate. He's not even paying attention. He's got he's looking at his feet.
He is looking at his feet.
He's got in his car.
Yeah. He's like admiring everything in the car. The dashboard, the floor, the mats. Oh, that was a cool snake on that mural back there. That was really cool.
It sure was.
Sure was, man.
And it sure will.
Sure will.
214
Don't show
on the right.
There's 3 214s. Which one? No. I'm just telling the computer. There's 3 214s.
On the right, then keep right.
Red roof. Hit the roof.
We're still in Phoenix?
That's so weird. Union Hills Drive in Yorkshire. Next up. Spallman. Harvey.
Keep right.
They're building some stuff here. Luxury apartments now open.
In a quarter mile.
No, they're not. The roof ain't on.
That's funny.
Take
Hi.
the next left turn.
Octomom.
I'm doing it.
Don't you mean Octomom?
I